Tracking your team's sales performance doesn't have to mean endless reports, awkward check-ins, or becoming the boss who's always asking what's going on. As a sales manager, you want your team to spend more time making deals than writing reports. Lucky for you, a simple tool can fix it all. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest method to track your sales team's performance anytime, anywhere, without turning into a micromanager. Let's first talk about the problem. If you are tracking sales in spreadsheets, group chats, or traditional CRMs, you know how frustrating the process is. Until your sales team submits the sales report, usually at the end of the day, you don't know about what your sales team is doing, how many calls or messages have been sent, how quickly leads are being contacted and followed up, and how leads from source A are doing compared to leads from source B. The only way to find out what's going on is to keep asking for a quick update, which, let's be honest, feels like micromanaging. If you have been going through this, you don't have to anymore because the fix is simple. All you need is a mobile-first sales tracking system that gives you real-time updates on your sales team's activities without them having to send you a single extra message. And Privyr is exactly designed for that. Privyr is a mobile-first lead engagement tool that streamlines your sales process from start to finish. Here's how to set up Privyr to track your team's sales performance. If you don't already have Privyr account, go to www.privyr.com and sign up. Then, download the Privyr app on your phone and connect it to your lead sources. This step ensures all your leads are automatically transferred to your phone in real time. If you are new to Privyr, follow the link on the screen to watch a full tutorial on how to get started. The next step is to automate lead assignment, so you automatically assign new leads to the right sales rep. Go to the Team tab and tap on Invite Team. This lets you invite your team members via their email addresses. Once your team members accept your invite, set up lead assignment rules by clicking the plus button. As easy as that. Now you can monitor your sales team and sales activities exactly as I explained earlier, and you don't need any additional tool to do it. Here's what to expect after setting up Privyr. Privyr takes care of all your sales analytics automatically, tracking and reporting every activity in real time. The moment someone adds a lead, moves forward a deal, or closes one, it pops up instantly on your phone. You can open your pipeline view and see exactly where every deal is. You'll exactly know which deals are close to closing, which ones are stuck, and which ones need follow-up without interrupting anyone's work. You also get activity tracking. You can see how many calls have been made and how many WhatsApp messages or SMS have been sent, and what notes have been added to each lead. If someone hasn't followed up in a while, you will know. If a deal is at risk of going cold, you will know that too, before it happens. And the best part is that you can do all of this from anywhere, whether you are in office, at the airport, or grabbing lunch. You'll always have a clear picture of your sales pipeline right in your pocket. Privyr also automatically assigns leads to your team based on custom rules, eliminating manual reporting and data entry altogether. Now they can focus 100% of their time on advancing opportunities and closing deals. This concludes the video. Now you know how to monitor your sales team without interrupting their work. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more solutions for sales teams like this.